Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss photoelectric effect conditions part 2. There are three factors that affect the photoelectric effect. First one is a threshold frequency, second one is a work function, third one is a threshold wavelength. First of all, we are going to see threshold frequency. Definition: the minimum frequency of incident light that will produce photoelectric effect. The minimum frequency that is needed to produce a photoelectric effect in the any metallic surface is called threshold frequency. It is a constant for the specific metal. Okay, it is a constant. If nu Th is a threshold frequency, nu in is a frequency of incident light, then condition number 1, nu incident is greater than nu Th. It means frequency of the incident light is greater than threshold frequency. Photoelectrons are ejected with certain kinetic energy. It means photoelectric effect takes place. Second conditions, nu in is equal to nu Th. It means frequency of the incident light is equal to threshold frequency. Photoelectrons are ejected with zero kinetic energy. It means photoelectric effect takes place, but electrons are ejected in the least quantity. Third one, nu n lesser than nu Th. It means frequency of the incident light is lesser than threshold frequency. Photoelectrons will not be ejected. It means no photoelectric effect takes place. Okay. Then we are going to see the second factor, work function or threshold energy. Definition: the minimum thermodynamic work done by incident light to remove the electrons from metallic surface with certain kinetic energy. That is called work function. If phi is equal to work function and E is equal to energy of incident light, first conditions, E is greater than pi. It means energy of incident light is greater than work function. Photoelectric effect takes place and electrons are ejected with a certain kinetic energy. Okay, it means photoelectric effect takes place. Condition number 2, E is equal to pi. It means energy of incident light is equal to work function. Photoelectric effect takes place and the electrons are ejected with zero kinetic energy. Okay. Then third conditions, E less than 5. It means energy of incident light is lower than work function. Photoelectric effect does not take place and electrons are not ejected. Okay. Then third factor is the threshold wavelength. Definition: the minimum wavelength that will produce a photoelectric effect. It is a minimum wavelength of the incident light that will produce a photoelectric effect. If lambda Th is equal to threshold wavelength and lambda n is a incident of wavelength. Okay. Then first conditions, lambda in greater than lambda Th. The wavelength of the incident light is greater than threshold wavelength. Photoelectric effect takes place with ejection of electrons. Okay. Then condition number 2, lambda n is equal to lambda Th. It means wavelength of the incident light is equal to threshold wavelength. Photoelectric effect takes place with ejection of electrons with zero kinetic energy. It means the kinetic energy of the electrons are equal to 0. Third one, lambda in less than lambda Th. It means wavelength of the incident light is lower than threshold wavelength. No photoelectric effect takes place and the electrons are not ejected from the surface of the metal. These three are the important factors that affect the photoelectric effect. Okay, students, watch it, use it. Thank you.